Hi, today we are in Fuji-Q, one of the oldest theme parks in Japan. It opened in 1969. It opened as a fanfare back then, and it still has got that kind of flavor because you can still buy tickets for single attraction entry. But then it started opening like big coasters, big like this one, really big, and unfortunately it's now famous for the final and definitive closure of do-dodonpa, unfortunately. It's a theme park that started open coasters, and every single one of them has got at least one world record. We're gonna find out during the video what it's all about. One of typical local theme park. I'm so happy to visit it, and during this video I'm gonna tell you what's on offer, what I liked, what I didn't, and if it's worth a visit. Also some travel tips and tricks if you are traveling probably from Tokyo. But before anything else, please subscribe.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And so you got this one, which is a Gerstlauer, which has got the world record for the steepest drop in the world, which is there. It's 121 degrees. And it's going down now, you see? Perfect timing. What to say about this one? Wow, it's the best Gerstlauer ever tried. Yes, better than Smiler. So it starts with a usual inversion after the station, same as Smiler and so the ride. But then there is a launch, powerful, that you wouldn't expect. Then lots of inversion, lots of different elements. It's not annoying, it's not repetitive at all. And then the vertical lift with this 121 degrees drop, which has got the kind of oblivion moment because it's kind of holding you kind of vertical before dropping you down 121 degrees. Really a good coaster, was super fun. There are also water rides, there are a couple of them, and there is a world record. Those two are the biggest gold foil covered cats in the world. So I'm just off the 4D coaster, which has got the world record, and they got the certificate, so you cannot say it's not right, of world's most inversion being 14, we're talking about 2006, but it's not inversion of a truck, it's inversion of the rider, because this thing is 4D, spins a lot. What to say, capacity is crap, but it's really intense, it's really fun, it's kind of a chaos and you don't really know what's going on, kind of a ride to happiness experience. Really enjoyed it. It's really intense. I wasn't expecting it to be so intense and so fun. Really nice. The themed area of Naruto, it's really nicely themed, and it's got two main attractions. One is a museum, and the other one is a dark ride, shooting one, which is kind of identical to Mouse Chocolat, Fantasyland, or any Toy Story of Disney, but I think it's far too easy, and it's trackless. But anyway, regardless, the area is really, really nice. There are also flat rides. Some of them have got sponsor, which is a bit weird, like this one. But there is also a flat ride, quite a lot of flat rides for intense grown up. So really good. Just out of Zokon, and oh my god, this coaster. So position is a bike, it's an Intamin, it's got 3 launches, it's got a spike, a couple of shifts in the track, not a lot of teaming on the track, but onboard soundtrack, nicely themed station, and a couple of indoor areas which are themed when you kind of switch from one track to the other or when you get launched. Lots of projection, visual effects, lights. It's much more intense than what it looks off-ride. A kind of Tron that meets Hagrid, if you want. Really, really nice. The best coaster here at Fuji-Q, also the newest, opened this year. Just out of Fujiyama, which when open had 4 world records, like the tallest, the fastest, the longest, and the most intense, I think. Last one, God knows how they decided. But anyway, it's pure insanity. 79 meters, so taller than Hyperia, taller than any coaster in Europe apart from Red Force. Kind of returns a wooden coaster experience. It feels like Zadra made in metal, so it's rough, it's noisy, it's super intense, hasn't got a single stop along the way, nearly 2 kilometers, over 2 kilometers length of track. It's just stupid. I loved it to bits. And so this is the end of a video of Fuji-Q Highland. There is still a Christmas tree or whatever it is. Anyway, did I like the park? Yes. What is good basically is the offering. Really strong, solid lineup of coasters. They are unique, one of a kind. They are strong, they are bold, they are silly in the good way. So I really enjoyed that. Also, the lineup of attractions in general, so the water rides and the Naruto and the Thomas and Friends area are good. Of course, the coasters are so unique that they are worth a visit. I also like the facial recognition and the fact that there are lockers all over the place. What I didn't like it's that probably after the different accident they had with the do-dodonpa, they are overthinking security now. So all the restraints are overly padded, they are extra padded. They got security videos in the queue line, they got security briefing, briefing for real, look at this, in the station. They even do like a kind of stretching session for the muscle of your neck before onboarding the train. It's just too much. And of course, this one has got a massive negative impact on operations, which are super slow just because they do and check everything 10 times. And it's a pity because it's a park that could crunch every hour, probably twice or 3 times what they do in the main attractions, which is a pity. Now, is it worth a visit? I would say yes. I think it should be in the bucket list of every coaster enthusiast, just because they are so unique, so different. It kind of gives me Ocean Parks, Hong Kong vibes in terms of lineup. Would I come back? Probably not. Of course, it's a pity for do-dodonpa, but if they're going to replace it with something else, considering the latest coaster they open, well, stay tuned because it's going to be something interesting. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're planning to come to Fuji-Q Highland, stay tuned because straight away I'm going to give you some travel tips and tricks. So, if you're planning to come to Fuji-Q Highland, what about the ticket and how to get here? So, you can buy a single attraction tickets, but it's not worth it. You can buy on the day the ticket for all the attractions, which is around 7,000 yen, so around 35 pounds. Also, the website should sell everything, both the tickets and the combo with a bus return, but I didn't manage to get through their official website because I think you need to log in and ask things like, the zip code that has to be Japanese and everything. So probably just for residents, for locals. What I found though is that there are plenty of travel agencies selling the combo, which is like the bus plus the all-day ticket for here. And we're talking about 10,000, 11,000 yen. So not a lot, it's around 50 pounds. I put the link in the description of the one that I used. There's plenty of them. You can find them. I think the convenient one is going to be like either because it's from Osaka or Tokyo, wherever you are, and also there are different starting points, so find one close to your hotel. When I used it, I picked it up because it was next door from my hotel, but also because I had a really nice English website. It sent all the maps of the pickup points, and it even sent me the picture of the bus on the day in order to identify it easily. But anyway, one or the other. And you're gonna arrive here at the bus station, which is just next door to the park entrance. If you're coming to Fuji-Q, of course, enjoy and subscribe to the channel.